Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Regrade. So, up to now, in the previous videos, I explained about the trigonometric values problems related to sides. But from now onwards, for some videos, some problems, numerical problems relating to the trigonometric angles, special angles. I explained special angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. For their values also I told. Simple method, simple technique to remember also I told. So, based on those values, these sums we can calculate. Now, see, evaluate means find the values. All these sums are relating on the values only. If you know those table, if you know that table, then only you will get. Table means no need to table. If you by heart the values you know means no problem. Okay. Now, the easiest method I told, first for confirmation whether you are writing the values wrong or right. So, why? First within less than 30 seconds we can write the total table. Then by seeing we can apply the values. See how I will write, see how much time it is taking. So, like that you write. Trick I told in that video. If you don't see that video, first you see that video, you want to that simple technique. Now, I am writing sin, cos, tan, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity. See, finish. Total table finish. By seeing this, conformly, we can apply the values. Okay. Now see, the first problem is this one. What is the first problem? Sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. These sums are very simple. You should know the values and substitute those values in this and simplify. That's it. There is no any logics not there, direct sums. So that's why, see, first write sin 45 value what? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. You see, sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. You check from the table, confirmation. So now substitute the values in the given problem. Substitute the values in the given problem. In this given problem, values you substitute. Sin 45, what value? 1 by root 2 plus cos 45, what is the value? 1 by root 2. Now simplification only. So same, 1 by root 2 is the LCM. 1 plus 1, 2 by root 2. The 2 we can write root 2 into root 2. Why? Because I told root 2 into root 2 is 2. So by down root 2 is there. Root 2 cancel. The answer should be root 2. See, simple. That's why finally you write like this. What? Sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees is root 2. Like that we should write. Next, second sum. See, second sum. I can do here second sum. Second sum is directly I will write here values. I am not copying the sum. 45 is there, cos 45 is there. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. I am writing, I by hearted, I wrote. If you want means you can check. See, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Next, secant 30 degrees. Secant 30 means what? For cos 30 you should see. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. You should write 2 by root 3. See, secant is for cos 30 you see. 3 by root 3 is there. Because it is inverse 2 by root 3, right? See, sin cos tan means direct values we write. Cosecant secant cot means reverse values we write. Because sin is inverse for cosecant, cos is inverse for secant, tan is inverse for cot. Already I told, once I revised. Now, cosecant 60 is there. So, cosecant 60. This is also not direct, cosecant. Sine, inverse to sine. Sine 60 you see, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So again 2 by root 3. See, cosecant is inverse for sine, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Because it is inverse, you reverse that value 2 by root 3. Once you know the values, simple. Substitute these values in the given problem. Substitute these values in the given problem. What is given problem? See, cos 45, see 1 by root 2. Values. Actually you should copy this here, but I am not copying, you copy. You want. See, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 value. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Plus is there. Next is cosecant 60 also 2 by root 3 there. Simplification. Simplify means what? That is same. Here denominators are same means the numbers as it is up numbers. That is 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 is 4 by root 3. That is 1 by root 2. If this becomes into, it will reverse root 3 by 4. There is nothing. There is no cancellation. So that's why when cancellation are there, fractions, numerator you multiply, denominator you multiply. That is the rule. So 1 into root 3 is root 3 by root 2 into 4 is 4 root 2. First we write number, then root number you will write. Root 2 4 don't write, 4 root 2 you write. This is only answer. Second one. This is for first one, this is for second one. Next third. Okay. See third also model is same. Now all the values you write first. Here only sum, that's why I am writing. What are there that you first find out the values. Sin 30 is there, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Next you want means you check the table. Tan 45 is there, tan 45 is equal to 1. See once sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Tan 45 is equal to 1, tan 45 is 1. Next is cosecant 60. See, cosecant means sin 60 is root 3 by 2. This is 2 by root 3. Cosecant there means for sin you see, sin 60, root 3 by 2. But inverse, 2 by root 3. Next, here I will write 3, 3, 6. Okay, cot 45 is 1. So, cot is opposite to tan. Tan 45 1 means reverse also 1. Next is cos 60. Direct cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. See, cos 60 1 by 2. Next is secant 30. Secant is inverse to cos. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So here 2 by root 3. See once. Secant is inverse to cos. Cos only see 30. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. But here we should inverse because it is secant. So 3 by root 2 means 2 by root 3. Root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. These are the values. Now substitute these values in the given problem. Now what is given problem? See in that sin 30 1 by 2 plus tan 45 1 means 1 by 1 minus cosecant 60 2 by root 3 whole by cot 45 is 1 means 1 by 1 plus cos 60 1 by 2 minus is there secant 30 2 by root 3. Okay. Now what to do? LCM. So here for any numbers common factors are there means you multiply all the numbers, that is only LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 is LCM. Now 2 in this 2 cancel root 3 into 1 is root 3 plus 1 is in this 2 root 3 times 2 root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3. Now minus root 3 cancel 2 2s are 4. Now by again down also no common factors, 2 root 3 is LCM, 2 root 3 LCM. Now 1 in this 2 root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3, 2 2 in this 2 cancel means root 3 times. Root 3 into 1 is root 3 plus. Here minus is there. Root 3 cancel. This in this 2 times will go. That means root 3 cancel. 2. 2 2 the 4. Now, for that, root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3. This becomes into means you reverse this. 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. Now root 3, 2 root 3 cancel because these are in multiplication. 2 into root 3. 2 plus root 3 means here 2 root 3 means we should not cancel. Here 2 plus root 3, here 2 plus root 3 means then you cancel. Same. Now see here what left? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by down 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. Just by simple arrangement you write first this one because a plus b is equal to b plus c you can write. 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3 you can write. But 3 minus 4 not equal to 4 minus 3. Plus is there means you can change. Here plus is there. This I am writing first 2. 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. Down what is there? 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. Now 4 cancel. Root 3 cancel. 2 root 3. Like that you don't think. You should not cut like this. But as a whole, see, totally this number is 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. Suppose that value is a. Down also 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus a 4 means that is also a cancel. Like that. That means you should cut like this crossly. Total cancel. Like this you cut means this, no, like that. Not individual numbers. Totally numerator and denominator is equal. That's why you can cut. Now 1. So sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 all by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus secant 30. This value is 1. We asked that. Okay. Now like this, these problems are direct problems. First we should know the values. So to knowing that values we should write this table. In exams also you can write this table within seconds in one rough page. So by seeing that you apply the values. Without writing the table, by hearting directly write means there may be a chance to occur mistakes. That means you can make mistakes will occur. So to avoid those mistakes, first this is confirmed. See, there is no mistakes in this table. That's why confirmation. By seeing you can neatly write. Why? Because all these problems are related to angles only. Like that. Suppose only one sum gave like this means by hearting okay. But like this 2 or 3 sums, so more angles are there means it is better to write this table first in one anywhere. By seeing those values you copy from there. Then no chance to write mistakes. Okay. Then simplification only. I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. So if you click on bell icon and subscribe my channel, whatever videos I prepared, that you can intimate. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.